Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing what you already own and where the biggest problems are. Sort into keep, mend, and donate piles so you can focus only on what matters. Once done, inspect seams, zippers, and buttons to find urgent repairs, and note missing essentials like a blazer or reliable jeans. This targeted inventory prevents waste and helps you prioritize purchases versus repairs. Make sure to write a short list of replacements before moving to hands-on fixes. You now proceed to repair and refresh items with a simple, focused approach. Start with stains, pretreat and launder according to care labels so fabric isn't damaged. After cleaning, evaluate structural issues. Next, mend seams, replace missing buttons, and use fabric glue for quick hem holds. Learn one reliable stitch for reinforcement. Once done, handle small tailoring like hemming or tightening waistbands to improve fit. Because better fit makes older pieces look intentional, and last, you finish by organizing what's usable and planning future needs to prevent repeat problems. Group clothing by category and create outfit combos so mornings are faster. Once organized, set a 30-day wear plan to reveal any missing staples to buy. Store a small repair kit in your room for quick fixes. If something goes wrong, like a stubborn stain or broken zipper, pause, assess whether repair is feasible, and if not, salvage parts or recycle the item responsibly to avoid clutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.